Students, good morning. This is class 6 English 3 Unit 3. Today we are going to see about a topic called articles. We are going to see today articles. Okay children, now let's see the definition of articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles determine the standard of nouns. Articles determine the standard of nouns. Basically, the article is an adjective which modifies nouns. Basically, the article is an adjective which modifies nouns. The articles a, an and the used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. The articles a, an and the used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Okay children, now let's see more about articles. Now let's see the usages of a, an and the. The is used to refer specific or particular nouns. The is used to refer specific or particular nouns. A and an is used to modify non-specific or particular nouns. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. There are two types of articles. There are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. There are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite articles will use a and definite articles use the. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, article modifies nouns. An article is an adjective. Like adjective, articles modify nouns. A, an and the are called articles. A, an and the are called articles. A, an are called indefinite articles. A, an are called indefinite articles. The is used for definite article. The is called definite article. Okay children, now let's see the definition for definite article. See the definition for definite article. Definite article is the word which limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. The definite article is the word which limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. The definite article can be used with singular, plural or uncountable nouns. The definite article can be used with singular, plural or uncountable nouns. Okay children, now let's see about definite article. The that is equal to definite article. The that is equal to definite articles. The is used when we are talking about a particular person or thing. The is used when we are talking about a particular person or thing. For example, quite. Here comes the principal. Quite. Here comes the principal. Here they are talking about a particular person, principal. So they are using the. And the second example, how did you do for this English test? How did you do for the English test? In the second example, it is also talking about a particular thing where English test, which is defined as a definite article. It has the English test where a listener knows which person you mean. Okay children, now let's see about indefinite article. Let's see about indefinite articles. Words beginning with a vowel sound is an indefinite article. Words beginning with a vowel sound is an indefinite articles. Now let's see some examples. Apple. Here apple word which comes under the letter A, where we will use an apple. It is an indefinite article because it is beginning with a vowel sound. Umbrella. An umbrella, where these words beginning with a vowel sound is called indefinite articles. Honest, where the words beginning with the vowel sound, but the vowel sound is in middle of the word, so we will say it as an honest man, where honest H is a silent word. Okay children, then words beginning with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. Words beginning with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. University, where the word beginning with a written vowel, but now let's see the answer. A university, it is not a vowel sound. European, which means a European country, where words beginning with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. A one-man band, where the words beginning with a written vowel but not a vowel sound. Okay children, now let's see the usage of articles and nouns. Let's see the usage of articles and nouns. Mostly, articles are used with countable nouns which can be counted in number. Mostly, articles are used only with countable nouns which can be counted in number. Rest nouns take other determiners. Nouns take other determiners. For example, a book, butter, water. A book, butter, water, where mostly articles are used only with countable nouns which can be counted in number. Okay children, now let's see the selection of articles a or an. Selection of articles a or an. Indefinite articles a or an are not used arbitrarily. Indefinite articles a or an are not used arbitrarily. There are definite rules to use these indefinite articles. There are definite rules to use these indefinite articles, and these rules are strictly followed while speaking or writing English. There are definite rules to use these indefinite articles, and these rules are strictly followed while speaking or writing English. Important to note that if articles are not used approximately, the meaning may change or be misunderstood. It is important to note that if articles are not used appropriately, the meaning may change or be misunderstood. Okay children, therefore, it is must to understand and follow these rules to learn correct English. Therefore, it is must to understand and follow these rules to learn correct English. We use a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. We use a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. We use a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. Nouns are names of people, places, animals or things. Nouns are names of people, places, animals or things. Okay children, listen here. When we are using a person, name, place and thing, where we have to use the word a. Usage of a word before beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a bird. A word is used before beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a bird. A is used before beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a bird. A is used before a singular noun beginning. A is used a singular noun beginning. For example, a book, a school, a dog. A is used even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. A is used even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. For example, a European, a unit and a union. A European, a unit and a union. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. Let's see some examples. A university. U is a vowel letter but it begins with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words. A uniform. A uniform. U is a vowel letter where uniform begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. A 1 rupee note. Here 1 O is a vowel letter but beginning with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words too. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, where a girl is used before words which begin with a consonant. A clock, where it is a consonant but before words we use a. A lamp. A lamp which is used as a consonant and begin with a consonant but we use a before word. An is used. Let's see how an is used. Before a word beginning with a vowel. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an idiot, an apple. Here, an idiot and an apple is used before a word beginning with a vowel. An is used before a word beginning with H but not sounded. An is used before a word beginning with H but not sounded. For example, an honor, an heart, and honest man, where it is used before a word beginning with H but not sounded because H is a silent word. We have to spell it as honor or an honest man. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Let's see some examples. An orange. An orange, where it is used and before word which begin with a vowel sound. An umbrella, where an umbrella used before words which begin with a vowel sound. An eye, where it is used and before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay children, now let's see the usage of the. The is used before unique objects. The is used before unique objects. You all know what is meant by unique objects? Yes, unique objects are the sun, the sky and the moon, where sun is a unique object, where before that we will use the word the. The is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara and the Pacific. Example, the Ganges, the Sahara and the Pacific. The is used before the names of books. The is used before the name of books. Example, the Bible, the Ramayana and the Quran. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana and the Quran. Okay children, now let's see the omission of article. What are the words we should omit in the articles? Omission of article before the name of relation, which is father, uncle and sister. Before the names of relation father, uncle and sister. Before the names of material, which is gold, silver and diamond. Before the names of material gold, silver and diamond. Before proper noun, which is Lotus, Chennai, Priya. Lotus, Chennai, Priya. Before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom and truth. Before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom and truth. Before language, Tamil, Hindi and English. Before language, Tamil, Hindi and English. Before certain phrases, at noon, by train and on foot. It is used before certain phrases, which is at noon, by train and on foot. Okay children, let's see some exercises. Write the sentences inserting a, an or the. Rewrite the sentences inserting a, an or the. Sun is very hot today. Sun is very hot today. Answer: the sun is very hot today. So, the is a article. Iron is useful metal. Iron is useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. A is used for an article. Selvan is poor boy. Selvan is poor boy. Where Selvan is a poor boy is the answer. Selvan is a poor boy is the answer. A is used for articles. Let's see some more examples. Dash Nile is in Egypt, isn't it? The Nile is in Egypt, isn't it? Before the place we will use the. Where are the boys? So the is used for articles. They are at the cinema. So it is also the example for articles. Do you want an orange? An is a vowel, so it is used before the vowel sound. Do you want an orange? How far the sun away from? So, the is used for the articles. Okay children, we came to the last part of our session, which is an evaluation. in the blanks using a, an or the. You have to fill the blanks with the using a, an or the. Sri Lanka is dash island. Sri Lanka is dash island. Gave Sita dash 1 rupee note. She gave Sita dash 1 rupee note. Maya wore dash red color saree. Maya wore dash red color saree. He is dash honorable man. He is dash honorable man. He met with dash accident on his way home. He met with dash accident on his way home. He wears dash uniform on Wednesday. She wears dash uniform on Wednesday. He gave me dash 1 rupee coin. He gave me dash 1 rupee coin. Sona made dash universal appeal. Sona made dash universal appeal. India is dash developing country. India is dash developing country. He is dash boy. He is dash boy. Dash honest man is always respected. The dash honest man is always respected. Rahul is dash engineer by profession. Rahul is dash engineer by profession. I bought dash HMT watch. I bought dash HMT watch. Mala is dash MA in English. Mala is dash MA in English. My brother is dash advocate. My brother is dash advocate. Okay children, I hope you all understand today what is meant by articles and what are the types of articles and also with examples. I hope you all know where to use vowel sound and where to use the consonant sound with examples. So let's meet with new interesting video in next session.